dudes! Welcome to High Protein Poke Bowl.
Okay, this is delicious, incredibly tasty, originating from the South Pacific. Poke normally refers to the raw fish. We are using tofu. We caught it earlier this morning.
It was awful. Okay. But
anyway,
yeah, we're making this with tofu.
It's a great way of getting
How much
diversity.
protein does it have?
This is 35 grams of protein in it per serving, 70 for the total dish. It's diverse, it's packed full of fibre.
And it's super tasty, that's the big thing. Okay, first step, we're gonna start by popping our pan on a high heat.
Take our 200 gram block of tofu. I'm gonna slice it into 4 triangles.
This is firm tofu, yes?
This is firm tofu.
Okay, I've got 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm gonna add it into our pan.
Okay, and I've got half a thumb-sized piece of ginger.
A thumb size?
Not a thumb, it's thumb. Okay, into the pan we have our thumb-sized piece of ginger.
Finally, guys, we left the skin on because it is organic, and obviously the skin has more fibre and typically more minerals in it.
It's going to infuse the oil and just slowly brush that around the pan, pop down our tofu, and we want it to sear here, so we're pressing it down.
Nice crispy.
While that's frying, I'm going to make our teriyaki glaze to go through it. So into this little bowl here, I've taken a clove of garlic, and you are going to grate it in or finely dice it into a bowl. In on top of that, we have 3 tablespoons of tamari or soy sauce. We go 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, tablespoon of maple syrup, and a tablespoon of rice vinegar, apple cider vinegar, or whatever you have. Mix that together and give that a little turn, and you'll see just the searing.
The start of searing is happening.
Yeah, you can see it's starting to seal.
Usually kind of yellow, it's a slight kind of yellow crust starts to develop.
Okay, as that starts to cook, we're gonna add in half our teriyaki glaze. And this is gonna wanna start to contract, so we wanna move it around, turn the heat down low or medium. And as this sauce starts to reduce, it's going to contract and it's going to form this lovely glaze around the surface. Make sure to leave it to contract. So right now you want to give it time so that it starts to caramelize on the surface. Okay, once it gets where you're kind of happy with it, just in terms of browning, just turn it off. There's going to be residual heat in the pan that's going to enable more caramelization on the surface. Boom.
Yeah. They look great, delicious.
Tofu done, and we've got a little bit of our teriyaki sauce. While that's happening, we're going to prep the rest of our ingredients. So we're going to make a wakame and cucumber salad or seaweed. So I'm going to slice this at a slight angle. These are little farm snacking cucumbers in Ireland. They're in season. We've got about a tablespoon of seaweed of choice. I'm using wakame. We're going to go with a pinch of salt, juice of half a lime. Often there's a kind of a more decadent dressing put through, but we're just keeping this very simple because there's a lot of components to this dish. Take our mango. In Ireland, mangoes don't grow, so for us to get it right, mango's often quite special. Okay, so we've scored our, Mr. Flynn, you're like a fruit bat.
I'm sorry.
We're going to bring avocado. It's going to bring a bit of fat to this dish, a whole food source of fat, contrast to colour, and just beauty to this dish. Okay, final component is we're going to make a quick little furikake. So in goes 2 tablespoons of white sesame seeds. Okay, so we got white and black sesame seeds. We got a pinch of salt. You could put seaweed through it. You could put nutritional yeast. I'm going to keep this very simple. Okay, you'll know your furikake is ready when they start to pop. You just turn the heat off the pan and allow them just to the residual
They do
heat.
start to golden. See the way they start to golden, and they are like popping little jumping jacks.
So start your dish with brown rice. So about 150 grams of cooked brown rice per portion.
So the base of our poke bowl is a bed of brown rice.
Yep. We'll put a little bit of furikake on top now, just a little bit. We're gonna go mango.
That's avocado.
Avocado, sorry, we're going with avocado. We've edamame beans, 100 grams per portion. Cucumber salad. You want to look good for different colours.
Our kind of seaweed cucumber salad. That looks beautiful.
We have a little bit of sauerkraut. Take our mango. We have some pickled ginger. This is one of my favourite bits. Okay, and we're going to finish this off with 2 tofu steaks.
It looks great.
You want to get a bit of height with this if you can. There we are. Finish it off with a little bit of the furikake on top. And then just take a little bit of that teriyaki glaze and we're just going to drizzle that over.
So there you have it, delicious poke bowl, high in protein, 35 grams per portion. And this is one of 750 recipes that we have in our recipe club. So if you're interested
What's
to learn
Recipe
more.
Club?
Recipe Club is our app where we've got all our recipes in a community to help you to eat more plant-based, because obviously you want to find community, you want to find support. It literally costs you the price of a cup of coffee every month, and yeah, we're there to support you.
We'll put details down below. It's not just an app, you can do it on a desktop computer too.
Oh, good.
There you
Thanks,
are.
yeah,
We're Dave and Steve from Happy Pear. Thank you for watching this. Sending loads of love and go forth and eat your vegetables.